video because you want to know how to make your dreads shake, right? So then what you do, you go to the water, you rinse them in the water, and then they'll shake. Alright, for me, only the back will shake right now. Let me show you how. The side, nah, this side, I don't know, but sometimes I shake it too hard, I get a headache, so I ain't trying to, you know, I ain't trying to do that. But you want to make a shake, you just wet your hair. It's kind of clickbait because I'm pretty sure you already knew that way, but it's kind of clickbait. And, it's kind of not, because if you do wet your hair, it will shake. So I don't know if it's clickbait or not. So 51 minutes. I think I'm becoming a professional at hair videos, because most of them now they just be short. Like I get done with the topic in like less than a minute, and then I don't know what to do. I'm trying to make this hit 230 maybe, 230. But like this and subscribe. If y'all play Fortnite, I'm on the game right now, so we're gonna go look at some Fortnite real quick. This is not a hair video. Please do not tell my boss that I did not make a complete hair video. This is a hair video and Fortnite video, so do not tell my boss on me, because this is not a true hair video. Fortnite screen is. If y'all want me to make some gaming videos, let me know. But just look how good it look. Yesterday I played 34 matches, because I got the challenge, like play 50 matches. And I said I played 34, but I couldn't get one win. Like, usually I get 10 wins. Well, now I done got better in solo. Really, I got 13 wins, but it say 11 because when this glitch was going on, it wasn't counting all my kills. So I don't like Fortnite for doing that. These are the two outfits I got right now. First one and that one. The good thing is you can take out the shield on the Black Knight and you was like totally blacked out. You can hide in the bush easy and all that. Not saying I'm a bush hider, but you know, when it comes close to the end, you know, you do what you gotta do. You play it smart. I'm on tier 40. Finna get up there, 700 V-Bucks. And yes, I had Save the World. I had 2,800 V-Bucks on Save the World. My cousin tried to make me buy that $2,000 Wukong outfit, but I did not buy it because I was too smart. And good thing I didn't buy it, because if I bought it, it would have been over with for me. I would have never been able to buy this. But look at this. Look at the 5 outfits, man. Hello, what do tier 75 get? I wonder what's the thing for 75. Oh, but these outfits slick 5, but you can't hide in no bush with them. I wonder if you want to buy 75 tiers, what all you get. Do it just stop right here, or do it in the outfit? I don't know. But yeah, YouTube, this is Don't Tell My Boss on Me. Peace out.